Alright, I have this cruiser here that I'm going to give a trial run to. Now the cruiser has a plastic prop. I'm going to run over the plastic prop, then I'm going to take off the plastic prop and put on a metal prop and see how she will run. Good. Turn it over the plastic prop. Now she's going to run. Yeah. Alright. Cabin cruise. This cruiser is not really built for speed. It's just a cruiser. You know, just a cruiser. A cruiser. Be very responsive. I gotta go very light on my phone, get out. Look, when she comes close, you're gonna see the water coming out like on the side. See it? Alright, I'm running over that plastic prop. I'm going to take it off and put on a metal prop and see if it will run a little faster. Alright, let me bring her in. Change the prop. Whoa. La Cruza. Running nice, running nice. El La Cruze. La Cruza. La Cruza. Good. I'm going to change the prop, put on a metal prop, see how she's going to work. Good.